In this video, we will implement the Superdense Coding protocol using Qiskit. Superdense coding is the process to transmit classical bits by using less qubits. In this example, Asya has a qubit and Balvis has another qubit. And Asya is trying to send information to Balvis. Here, we list this information with x and y. If x is 1, Asya applies a z gate, and if y is 1, Asya applies an x gate to encode this information. Then Asya sends her qubit to Balvis. Now Balvis has both qubits. Balvis applies a CNOT gate to this 2-qubit system, and then he applies a Hadamard gate to the qubit that Asya sent. Then Balvis takes measurements on both qubits, and he can extract the information of x and y. This way, it is possible to send a 2-qubit information by only transferring a qubit. Let's implement this in Qiskit. In this example, we are going to send all possible combinations by running a for loop. We start by creating a 2-qubit system, and then apply a Hadamard gate and a CNOT gate to create the entanglement between both qubits. Then we apply the Z and the X gate according to the classical information. Then Asya sends her qubit to Balvis. Now Balvis applies the CNOT gate and then the Hadamard gate. Finally, he measures the qubits. And the result he obtains is the classical information Asya was trying to send. Here we see that we have successfully transferred the states for 4 of the possible combinations.